Hey guys, welcome back to House of Organic Beauty. Anyways, so in this video, we got a special package. Okay, this video is not sponsored or anything. We will be talking about 4C only. Woo! so when I saw this product, I was like, oh, okay, another, natural hair product line. Kudos, cool, whatever. But the fact that it said 4C only, I was kind of like I wasn't interested in it still. But because I have this young lady here with 4C hair, and you guys, if you guys been watching my videos, then you'll know that I kind of struggle with growing my oldest daughter's hair. It has like, sometimes it'll grow, sometimes it doesn't. It will grow like 1 inch a year. Girl! It will grow like 1 inch a year. Right. Yo, what's up his hair?
It's not done yet.
So yeah, we'll grow like 1 inch a year. So I've been trying to like use products that kind of like help the 4C sisters out. You feel me? As you can see, my hair is, I don't know what it is, 4B maybe, 4. Yeah, it's like 4B.
4G.
4G? No, it looks dry. Anyways, so as you see, she still has these twists. Stop, babe. No, don't come start. I'm gonna knock you out like this. Anyways, so as you can see, she still has these. That's good. She still has these twists in. It's been like 5 weeks, so that's like a month and a week. Okay, she's gonna have it in for 1 more week.
Hey! I'm taking it out on Sunday. I know what she's talking about.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No, you have to let it
It's
go.
old and rusty. I want my hair back.
Yeah, she don't care too much for the weave. But anyways, as you can see, the new growth is real. Okay. Bend down, girl. You almost can't see her parts, so that's a good thing. It's not very significant, but it is average, honey. So she's growing her hair. Like one subscriber told me that, don't mind the noise in the background. One subscriber told me that she has the same type of hair as my daughter, and what she does to kind of retain her length is use oils, like hot oil treatment. That's what I've been doing for the past like a couple of months, like 3 months, and it's been working. Like her hair really love oils and butters and stuff like that. Just that though, I would use other stuff here and there, but before I wash her hair, I would do a hot oil treatment for like maybe, I'll leave the oils in for like maybe 30 minutes. Her hair loves it. Sometimes we get a little itchy, get a little product happy. So I decided to like this. I think this is just for 4C hair, and my daughter has 4C hair, and I wanted to like kind of try it out to see exactly how it works in her hair. And if it works phenomenally where she's retaining her length and stuff, then this is a plus. I'm not going to say I will purchase it again if it runs out. It all depends. I don't know, who knows. It all depends. This video here is just me unpackaging the product, but in our next video, I will be using these products on her hair, and then the video after that, I will be using this product on my husband's hair because they both have the same textured hair. That's where she get the 4C hair from, okay, from her baby. So, you want to unbox it or no? Let's go get 4 leaf for zone.
Am I bored?
What?
Am I bored?
No, we get 4 leaf for zone.
Do I pay for these?
Yeah. But why?
This is cute. People go out like this all the time. We got ASMR.
I was gonna ask you to open the box, but clearly you can't.
Yes,
But anyways, so yeah, she will be unboxing
I will.
This product.
With my nails.
This product. Okay. This is so cute. So this box is kind of like a salmon color. It's so pretty. And it has like a little message. I'm not gonna read the message because it's like the girls look so depressed in this picture. So I'm thinking that they're telling a story, okay? Because you know, 4C hair is not easy to deal with. And I tell you this why, because 4C hair, it gets really kinky where like if you don't know how to really maintain 4C hair, it can mat easily. It can like create so many single strand knots that it's hard to comb and you just feel as though like your hair is always snapping. So a lot of women with 4C hair tends to like blow out their hair or stretch their hair, either with, you know, by using the rubber band method or by using a hot tool like a blow dryer. They stretch their hair just to prevent the shrinkage, not only the shrinkage, but just to prevent single strand knots. Although we all naturalistas get single strand knots no matter what, but 4C hair tends to get it more because the pattern of their curls is like very zigzaggy, so it'll like intertwine, say like what it do, you feel me? You want to be friendly with other strands, like what's up, yeah, I see you, you know, there's a solution. There's a solution. So this is the packaging. This is like, how you say it? Something less than. Babe, what is this color? So this is cute. Ooh. All of it is, you know, it looks the same. Like the deep conditioner, they all look the same. So you're gonna have to read, okay, before you put the stuff in your hair, so you won't apply the shampoo twice in your hair thinking you're applying the conditioner, you know. So anyway, so right here we have, can you please hold this? So right here, well, right here we have the what?
The leave-in conditioner.
Oh, I was gonna, oh snap. Yeah, we have the leave-in conditioner. Let me feel the texture though. I want to smell it. I don't really care for smell as long as it doesn't smell artificial. Like Lotta Body. I love Lotta Body leave-in conditioner, but that coconut smell be like irritating me. Ooh, because it's so artificial smelling. Okay, it smells tropical. What do you think it smells like? Okay, she likes to smell clearly. It smells. You know what it smells like? That other product. Strawberry. It's something, but it smells really nice. And this is the texture. It's very, I mean,
let me see.
Girl, move. How you gonna try it?
How people do this? This hurts.
It hurts because they're not nails, boo.
They make so much noise.
Oh my god. She's a doodler, so she gets her hands into everything. I'm gonna talk about my candle because rest in peace, candle. She's not two. Be quiet. She's not two. So I had a beautiful candle. The candle was 11. Be quiet. The candle was my favorite candle. Well, I'm not gonna say it was my favorite candle, but I just got the candle, right? Why do I see the candle chalky? She was bored, so she chalked up my candle. Like, so I had to get her a pop it because I was gonna pop her. I was so livid. I'm so serious. Anyway, so that was the leave-in conditioner. Can you hold it? So I'm gonna mix them up. Thank you. This is the styling cream. Ow! Girl, what if you broke it?
No, I didn't mean that.
Take. Ow! Stick them. Don't you feel lighter?
No.
So this is the styling cream. So it says it's for kinky, thick, and juicy. I guess. Well, it says kinky, thick, and juicy. The directions for the styling cream, well, I guess I'll mention all that later in the video when we actually do use it, but all of these bottles are 12 ounces, which is 355 milliliters. So let's see the consistency for this one. Are you excited to use it? Yeah? Okay. Ooh. It still smells. It smells like the leave-in conditioner. It smells like the leave-in conditioner. This is a lot. Maybe the texture is definitely more creamier, I guess, and thicker. See? So I think this is like almost like a gel maybe. I don't know. This one is the shampoo. So it's a lot more silkier. Ooh. But it's more watery, of course. I wish that they put this in, well, I was gonna say I wish that they put this in a bottle, like a pump bottle or a squeeze bottle, but honestly it doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter. Yeah, I'm very clumsy. I would probably drop this and I would not be happy. So I would prefer this type of liquid in a pump bottle, or last but not least, a deep conditioner. I love deep conditioner, so I hope this one is good. The one I use for her now is Manuka Honey by Shea Moisture. They all smell the same. It's a lot thicker. Yeah, so I'm excited to use these hair products on my daughter. Hopefully it works. And if it doesn't, that's okay too. I will still be using it. And no lie, I'm gonna use it on my hair too, honey.
You don't have 4C hair, so
it don't matter. I have hair. What works for you?
4C. Only violation if you use.
There's no violation.
Yes.
But if it works for your hair, then I'm gonna leave it. But I want to try it one time. I can try it one time.
No, I'm gonna put my name.
The back of my hair is 4C. So yeah, so I think that is it for this video, right?
Yes. I need one more.
Anyways, stay tuned for the next video when I try these on my oldest daughter's 4C beautiful kinky hair. Okay, so yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to visit my store at www.houseoforganicbeauty.com. And don't forget to stay blessed. Deuces. Say deuces with me. Deuces. Go on, let's go. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Deuces.
What does that mean? Let's go. 1, 2, 3.
Deuces.